I give them some good healthy food, piece of banana, tomato slice, and peach for fruits. The male one came down. He's eating the normal food as they always used to eat. But I think once they taste or try the fruits and vegetable, they will love it. I'm just waiting for their new feather coming quickly. Here you go. The female came down now. She might taste the same thing. Yes, she's taking the same thing, but I hope she will go to the fruit tray. Just try some taste of difference from their natural food. Natural means the regular foods to the fruits. As long they eating, their stomach is full, they are happy, I'm happy. I don't mind. Just I keep them as they came new to my home. They are really hungry. They're waiting long on top. They were sitting there. They were feeling shy, I think, a bit scared. My children never disturb them. These are the good things. They love them. Once I say it, they might be scared. None of my children giving them trouble. So yes, they are happy. My children's happy. I'm happy. And they're feeling their stomach, I think. Let them eat. We can watch in the meantime. Just waiting once they go to the fruit section. I can decide, yes, I will give them these fruits regular or once a week, because the previous I had the lovebird. I gave her once or twice in a week. And there is a fish tank. There's a fish tank. My fish gave the birth as well. The new fish there, new baby fish, and one mommy fish giving birth. I saw yesterday night 2 newborn baby. There's a 3 babies already, they growing up, and 2 tiny newborn baby. I will make the video only for the fish tank later on, not today. I'm just waiting for my new birds. Once they're happy, they're feeling their stomach, they eat some fruits, that's it. And definitely I will keep continue giving update to you all of. So still waiting. They're really hungry. They're really hungry. I kept in the morning, I mean night till morning, or till lunch basically, in a dark place where they usually live, where they usually used to live. I kept them there, but I have to take them out now, the daylight places, so they will feel much comfortable. I guess outside is raining, so once they are happy in my new house, I will keep them out for a little shower, I mean rain shower. I will do in the my toilet, in the where we do bath there, but not now, not necessarily now. Weather changing, so I have to check their health as well. Yes, they're still eating happily. There is a mixed foods. so I give them more sunflower seeds. I showed my yesterday's videos that is my I have the sunflower, not garden plant, some of them sunflower plants. So once they become the big sunflower, I keep them in the pot, dry it, keep them in the pot. I save the seeds, so I give my own garden's sunflower seeds to them as well, which is really good for any birds. Okay, let's see. I'm still waiting for them to go to the fruit section. They are not. They're eating. Let them eat. Let them eat. Let them talk. Oh, yeah, they are really happy. They're singing themselves. Okay, I will do another video once they go to the fruit section.